The science and clinical practice of obstetrics is concerned with human reproduction. The specialty promotes the health and well-being of a pregnant woman and her fetus. The uniform use of standard definition is important as it allows standardization of documents for continuity of care. A newly gravida is a woman who currently is not pregnant or has never been pregnant. A gravida is a woman who currently is pregnant or has been in the past, irrespective of the pregnancy outcome. With the establishment of the first pregnancy, she becomes a primigravida, and with the succeeding pregnancy, a multigravida. A nullipara may not have been pregnant or may have had an abortion or an ectopic pregnancy. A nullipara who has never completed a pregnancy beyond 20 weeks gestation. A primipara is a woman who has delivered only once of a fetus, born alive or dead, with an estimated length of gestation of 20 or more weeks. Parity is determined by the number of pregnancies reaching 20 weeks. It is not increased by twin or multifetal pregnancy and not decreased by stillbirth. A multipara is a woman who has completed 2 or more pregnancies to 20 weeks or more. The obstetric history is summarized by a series of digits connected by dashes. This refers to the number of term infants, preterm infants, abortuses, and children currently alive. Also known as the OB score. An example, a gravida 3 para 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 means gravida 3, patient has been pregnant 3 times. Parity 2, she has completed 2 pregnancies beyond 20 weeks. Enclosed in parentheses, 1 delivered term, 1 delivered preterm, 1 miscarriage, and she has 2 living children. In this OB history, what is the OB score? The first pregnancy, delivered term, alive until now. The second pregnancy, delivered preterm, alive at birth, but died after 48 hours. The third pregnancy is a miscarriage. The fourth pregnancy is an ectopic pregnancy. The fifth pregnancy, delivered preterm, alive. The OB score is gravida 5, para 3, 1, 2, 2, 2. So the OB score is gravida 5, para 3, 1, 2, 2, 2. The normal pregnancy duration is estimated by computing the age of gestation. The determinants for the age of gestation is the last menstrual period, or the LMP, the past menstrual period, or the PMP. These two, LMP and PMP, will also determine the EDC, or the expected date of confinement. The expected date of confinement, or the EDC, is determined by the Nigell's rule. To the first day of the last menstrual period, you add 7 days, subtract 3 months, and add 1 year. An example, the last menstrual period is July 3, 2017. You subtract 3 months from July, so that is April. You add 7 days to July 3, so that is 10. You add 1 year to 2017, so that is 2018. So the expected date of confinement is April 10, 2018. The age of gestation is counted from the first day of the last menstruation until the day of consult or admission. This is usually expressed in completed weeks. A Gravida 2 Para 1-1001 had consult on July 3, 2020 due to vomiting. The last menstrual period is March 7, 2020. What is the age of gestation? To compute, remember that March has 31 days. So 31 minus 7, you have 24 remaining days. You add 30 days of April, 31 days of May, 30 days of June, and 3 days from July. So you get a total of 118 days. You divide 118 days by 7, so you get 16 weeks and 6 days. So the age of gestation is 16 weeks and 6 days. A neonate born any time after 37 completed weeks up until 42 completed weeks is term. A neonate born before 37 completed weeks is preterm. An abortus is a fetus or embryo removed or expelled from the uterus 20 weeks or less, or in an absence of accurate dating weighing less than 500 grams.